TradingView versus Tradovate. Which futures trading platform is better? Choosing the right futures trading platform can completely change how you manage trades efficiently without missing key market moves. We'll briefly explore both platforms to help you decide. TradingView and Tradovate are two leading futures trading platforms. TradingView excels with advanced charting and social features, while Tradovate focuses on streamlined futures execution and brokerage services. The core difference lies in TradingView's analysis tools versus Tradovate's trading infrastructure. TradingView is a web-based platform known for its powerful charting capabilities and extensive technical analysis tools. It offers real-time data, customizable indicators, and a large community sharing trading ideas. TradingView supports multiple asset classes, including futures, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. Users benefit from intuitive charting combined with social networking features, enabling collaboration and strategy sharing. However, TradingView itself is primarily a charting and analysis platform. It requires integration with a brokerage for order execution. This separation can be a limitation for traders looking for an all-in-one solution. Ideal users are technical analysts and traders who prioritize detailed market analysis and community insights, but use separate brokers for trade execution. According to TradingView's official site, its cloud-based system ensures accessibility from any device, making it convenient for traders on the go. Tradovate is a futures-focused trading platform that combines brokerage services with advanced trading tools. It offers a fully integrated experience with commission-free trading options and cloud-based technology. Tradovate provides features like customizable workspaces, automated trading, and direct market access, designed specifically for futures traders. Its platform supports desktop, web, and mobile access, ensuring flexibility. Strengths include seamless order execution and a straightforward pricing model, which appeals to active futures traders. Tradovate's user interface is designed for speed and efficiency, reducing latency during high-volume trading. Limitations include fewer charting and social features compared to TradingView, focusing more on execution than analysis. The ideal user is a futures trader seeking a dedicated, cost-effective platform with built-in brokerage services and fast execution. Tradovate's official website highlights its commitment to innovation and user-centric design tailored for the futures market. Comparing TradingView and Tradovate highlights distinct strengths. TradingView excels in charting, market analysis, and community-driven insights, making it ideal for traders who emphasize research and strategy development. However, it requires a separate brokerage for executing futures trades, adding complexity. Tradovate offers an all-in-one solution with integrated brokerage services, commission-free trading, and rapid order execution. Perfect for traders focused on active futures trading and efficiency. If you prioritize detailed analysis and social features, TradingView stands out. If streamlined futures execution and cost-effective trading are your main concerns, Tradovate is the better fit. The trade-off is between comprehensive analysis tools with a brokerage gap versus a futures specialized platform with fewer analysis features but smoother trade execution. Choose TradingView if you want top-tier charting and community insights and a comfortable linking with a separate futures broker for order execution. Opt for Tradovate if you need an integrated futures trading platform with fast execution and transparent pricing. Its focus on futures and brokerage services makes it ideal for active traders seeking a simplified, cost-effective solution without sacrificing performance.